Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called connectivity, this one, and once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called NFC and then tap on it, and right here we can turn on the NFC by tapping on the switch or turn it off by tapping on the switch again. So turn on or off the NFC, and once you're done, press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.